Hello, hola, I'm your girl, Rena MoMoney, and today I got another good one for you. I come on this channel twice a week to help you crush it in real estate, finances, credit cards, and just basically helping you to become a better you. Well, today, no different. I got some more good stuff for you. I often get folk to ask about a checklist. So today we're going to go over the real estate wholesalers checklist. So come on in.
They don't know how it works. They ain't doing it right.
You ain't doing it right. You don't know what you're doing. Big fella.
Today we will talk about the cold call checklist. There are so many different checklists when you are an investor, if you are a rehabber, if you are a wholesaler, if you are a realtor, if you are this, if you are that. So I have in the description investors checklist. It's the entire checklist that you need that you can take a look and download. What do you want to cold call? You want to drive for dollars? You want to do some marketing? You want to make sure that you're text blasting? Let's go over the checklist for cold calling. Very short, very simple. Again, every conversation must have these imperative involvements and should be centered around these few steps that I'm telling you about. Number one, the condition of the house. Yes, on that cold call, you're wanting to know the condition of the house, and you will do a roundabout question on that. Be sure to listen to your potential seller. Be sure to listen and get an idea and fill it out. And as you're listening to the seller tell you the condition of the house, this is giving you an idea of the cost that it's going to cost you to rehab. You also know what's going to cost you the most for that house. Never bash, never say negative or bad things about that particular condition. So if they say, well, the roof is about to fall, say, okay, always act like it's not a problem. You're the fixer. Remember, you're the one to solve the problems. So you want to, one, get the condition of the house. Second, you want to find out the motivation of the seller and when they want to sell. As you're talking to them, you're finding out the motivation. You can tell if they're in a rut. You can tell if it's in pre-foreclosure, if it's in foreclosure, if they have an auction coming. Find out the motivation. If they're an out-of-town owner, if they are a tired landlord, if they are out of money and just want to get rid of it. Again, they're about to come up for auction. Whatever the motivation might be, they may be trying to get prepared to buy another house. They may be planning for a wedding and they need an extra $20,000. Who's to say? Always find out the motivation, because that motivation will give you your timeline of when you need to close, and it will also give you an idea which tool, which mechanism, which method to use in purchasing that home. The third one is how much they want, the price. You need to find out the price, find out what they want, so you can start thinking and formulating in your head what's the best way for you to get that house. You also want to know if they're flexible. So as you're trying to get the price, you can kind of tell, make sure you're listening so that you can know whether or not they are flexible. So the third one would be the price. The fourth one is to confirm the price and the timeline. As you're talking, as you're getting to know that person, as you're finding out the problem, as you go down the script, remember I have a script that you can use as you're talking to the seller. There's a seller script that I have. Look down in the description and you can get the script where you can go boom, 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 and you don't have to try to figure it out. I'm going over the checklist points, but if you want to actually have that script, look down in the description and you can get the script. Want to make sure that you sign up for the July giveaway. For the month of July, on all the videos in July, I am doing a July appreciation giveaway, a cash app to multiple viewers All you need to do is subscribe, like, comment, and also add your Cash App name in the comment section. I'm going to be giving $20 to $50 to individuals, to multiple individuals, for doing that as my appreciation. So if you've been on this channel before, you know I am big on showing my appreciation. Right now, I would like to show the new subscribers that have already subscribed. I also like to thank the old subscribers for coming back to educate yourself, to listen and learn on the Rena MoMoney YouTube. So here I have your name running across my screen. You are new subscribers and I appreciate you. Don't forget to make sure that you put your Cash App and you also like in the comment section so that you can enter to win $20 to $50 for the July giveaway. I'm going to be announcing the winners on a separate video the first week of August. If you need additional help, if this is not enough, you say I really need some mentorship, but I can't really afford a mentor, then schedule a coaching call. I answer specific questions. You can do a 30-minute session. You can do an hour, however long you like. Okay, getting back to the checklist. I think I last left off at confirming the price and the timeline and all that good stuff. Next, you want to ask them, do they have any questions? And be sure to be able to answer the questions. That's going to be key. That's a part of educating yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for coming. Make sure you come back. I have some more great videos with tips and tools lined up for you to help you crush your real estate. Thank you again, and you take care.